Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, there's not a lot of news on the calendar this week yet. We've been seeing some market moving stuff going on. The end of the day here, just about the end of the day, we see the S&P 500 up about 0.8%. Recording this still a few minutes before the close. And we've got some housing data coming out this week. We've got a couple of Fed speakers, but overall, there's not a whole ton of news. So what are we going to watch? Well, we're going to watch earnings. Earnings season has kicked off. There have been a few companies announcing, I think we're still under 10% of the S&P 500, if I'm not mistaken. Next week, the week after, and the week after are the big ones. And that's what we're gearing up for. That's what the market in general is gearing up for, because that's going to give us a lot of information on how the economy is doing and how individual companies are doing. And that will, of course, factor in somewhat in a roundabout sort of way anyway into the Fed's decision, which will come up on, I believe it's July 26th, if I'm not mistaken. And so that is the big thing, and that is where we have to put all of our focus. And in doing that, that's great, because not only are we paying attention to look at the big picture, but we can find some excellent trade opportunities. That said, make sure to attend my live training that is coming up. Please go to markettaker.com/REG, and that's going to pop up right after this, and I will see you in that earnings trading online training. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.